Okay, we're gonna go film the flooding here. See if I can do this. That's just my backup alarm. I've never filmed while I'm driving before, so this is a first. First off, we're gonna go down here. I shut the music off so it's a little quiet so you can hear me talk. Once again, this folks, this is the one and only Antonio coming at you live from my car this time. This road turns into gravel. That weird noise you hear is my CD player. It doesn't work. Wow. See that? Zoom me in with it. Look at that. Oh, that's flooded. It's all flooded. Like I said, that other noise you hear is my radio. And now, make sure nobody's behind me. There's another area in town that I'm gonna go check, and that is at the fairgrounds. There's even water over. There's even water on my side of the road, folks. We're gonna head down to the fairgrounds. There's a river. There's a river that runs through the fairgrounds. I'm gonna go check that out. This flood, this down, what you just saw, that actually floods pretty often. Oh yeah, that really did a lot of good. Might get a little bumpy. This is an old brick road, so this is gonna get this is smooth the rest of the road down. This is another way to get a video of the flooding in town without actually having to hold the camera while driving. This way I can drive with two hands. Okay, go this way. This here is First Street. We're across the highway here. That beat me says I'm not buckled up. Shit. Well, the camera moved a little bit, but I had to gun it to get across the street, so there was, yeah. Wait for this vehicle. We're at the corner of Seward and First. Fly down this road, but since I got the camera on hand, I can't exactly do that. Another way I could have done this, but I'd have to hold the camera with one hand and steer with the other, which wouldn't exactly be safe. So I thought I'd try and see if I could stick the tripod in here to hold the camera, and it seems to be working. We are now at the corner of Seward and 6th Street, aka Seward and Highway 15. Sorry about the thumpy there. Sorry, there's nothing I could do to keep the camera immobilized. We're gonna head now down to the fairgrounds and film the flooding down there, because there's a river that cuts through the fairgrounds and tends to flood. So we're gonna go check that out. And I figured I'd record on the way there. Do a little recording here. Now I can't move the camera when I'm driving because I don't want to lean over. So you just have to. Oh shit! Sorry, that made it a little blurry. Once again, that chime means this is I'm not buckled up. Pool's over here to the on my side. Alright, here we are at the fairgrounds. Now to view the flooding, we've got to go all the way back. Right about now you can see a bridge in the distance over here. This bridge usually always gets flooded out. How close can I get here? Let's see. Yep. That's down the bridge. We are now down at Seward County Fairgrounds. We don't need to go back there. This is the first video, once again, folks. This is the first video that I've ever done while driving the car. And over there, yeah, you can't see it real well because of the over here is the pond. I know that's kind of a weird angle, but that's the pond where me and my ex-girlfriend used to fish. Let's find a parking spot. I'll just pull the camera off the tripod real quick and show you. Actually, we'll just do this. There we go. This is the pond where me and my ex-girlfriend used to fish all the time. Every year it gets completely flooded out. There's a dock right there, but you can't really tell where it is because it's completely flooded over. And on the other side of the hill is the pool. And that is the flooding here in Seward. Damn it. Well, at least the cameras aren't bouncing in it. Anyway, folks. That, I guess you'd say, is the flooding, and basically a tour of Seward, sort of. Now we'll take the same route to go back home as we took getting here. The only thing I'm doing illegal right now is, if you look at the back of my license, it says corrective lenses, and I'm now wearing my glasses. I forgot to grab my glasses before I left. Now over here is the apartments where my best friend used to live. Now, I did a video once before. There was a tour of downtown Seward, Nebraska, but it was done with a little $30 camera that I got from the dollar store. Picture quality sucked on it, and I mean badly. The video is still up on YouTube. I still have it on my account. It's basically a tour of downtown Seward, Nebraska is what it's called. So. And we got thunderstorms coming through tonight, so the flooding is probably going to be made worse, I would imagine. As if it's not bad enough already, it's going to get worse. We are now back at the corner of 6th and Seward, aka Highway 15.